What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video here at Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today, I've got an unboxing for you. I've been picking up some gear lately to beef up my home security, and today we're looking at a smart door and window sensor. This specific model comes with a built-in siren to alert you the moment a door is open. Let's dive into the unboxing. I was specifically looking for a sensor compatible with the Smart Life app ecosystem. It actually took some digging to find the right one, but I've linked the Amazon listing in the description for you. Even though it was available via Amazon Prime, it's clearly a white label product from China. You can usually tell by the packaging. Here's the device. The box confirms it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant and connects directly via Wi-Fi. Just a heads up, it is not compatible with Zigbee hubs. You can see the Smart Life logo right here, and the specs claim the built-in alarm hits up to 100 decibels. My plan is to eventually get 2 of these, but I started with 1 to see if it lives up to the hype. The reason I wanted a smart version is so I can schedule alerts for specific times of the day, since I'm installing this in my bike storage area. Taking a look at the hardware, there are small arrows indicating where it needs to align with the magnetic contact piece. We've got a button on the front, and along the edge, there's a transparent plastic strip for the status red LEDs. The speaker grill is right here on the face. I was hoping to find a rechargeable model, but I wasn't sure if this was one. Turns out, like most of these sensors, it runs on AAA batteries. To open it, you just slide the back cover off. It also comes with adhesive pads for mounting it to your door, window, or wall. To arm the system, you press the button once, and you'll hear a single beep. Press it again to disarm, and you'll hear 2 beeps. And yep, confirmed, it takes AAA batteries. Now let's get it paired with Smart Life. Open the app, hit the add icon, and hold the device button for 9 seconds. The contact sensor should pop right up. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials and boom, we're in. You can see the configuration screen and the alerts starting to come through. In the settings, I can set an alarm delay, like 3 seconds or more, customize the siren duration, and adjust the volume. For notifications, I can toggle alerts for opening, closing, or low battery warnings. Let's do a quick functional test. The app shows the sensor is open, and I got the push notification, but the physical siren didn't trigger. Checking the settings, everything looks correct. Ah, I see. I actually have to arm the alarm first. I'll hit the button, and now the system should be live. Let's try that again. 3 seconds after opening, I get the notification and the siren kicks in. Perfect. When I close it, the app updates the status instantly. I'm going to add the contact sensor to my custom dashboard in the Smart Life app for quick access. One more test. I don't have pop-up banners enabled for this app, so they only show up in my notification tray for now. Stick around to see the temporary outdoor install I did. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I set up a temporary rig like this. The magnet goes on the door, and the main sensor with the siren stays inside, and we can see how it works.